This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
The LG oven that keeps getting the F11 error could be due to faulty igniter. So we're going to remove the oven door by lifting up on these little latches, and then we can pull the door right off. Let me get a screwdriver and latch back. Sometimes you got to use a little screwdriver to just get the thing to start. There we go. That one back. You want to lift it up, and right here it should come out. There we go. Okay. You don't have to take it out, but it does make it a little bit easier to do the replacement. Okay, taking the racks out. Then we just gotta get these two screws loose here, Phillips head, and then we can take this plate off. Get that one up. So F11 can also be caused by a faulty oven sensor, but I think that was replaced recently, so likely it's just the igniter's gone bad. I'm going to pull this plate off, lift it up, slide it out. We're going to take off the heat dispenser. This helps spread out the heat. Just 4 Phillips head screws. Alright. That one stubborn one here. Sometimes if you have one that isn't coming out easily, you can try a different head, like a brand new Phillips head. It might grab it better. Also, sometimes turning to the right and then left will get it going. It's just kind of stripped out. Okay, so we lift that out of the way. So here's our oven igniter, and we're going to take out 2 Phillips head screws located right here. This angle tool to get into those Phillips head screws a little bit easier. This one. Second one here. There we go. Comes out. And then we can get the igniter out. It's going to be a connector to it. We can just modular connector, disconnect that. Now we're going to be replacing this one. Probably just worn out over the years. So this is Electrolux part number 53039350066, and these are pretty cheap. You can get these at Amazon.com or a lot of online part stores. Probably anywhere from $15 to $30, depending on where you get it. But they're pretty cool. They're generic. They work for most models. You can see it's basically the same thing, just kind of a different frame. Having this extra armature on here on this model is no problem. It doesn't interrupt anything, so we'll just leave it on. So we'll go ahead and cut this a little bit shorter. And we're going to cut this one. We're going to strip about 1/4 inch off of these two. And we're going to use these really cool ceramic wire nuts. It'll help us to splice these together. Here's the new one. So we're going to strip back that one. go. And to the other side. Take the wire nut, get these two wires linked up. Remember, either wire works, either wire from the oven to either wire on the igniter. There's no polarity, so don't worry about that. Just put them together, get it really tight to the other side. There we go. And put on our ceramic wire nut. Get that really tight. So we got a good solid electrical connection. Get this in position. We're going to put the modular connector back on. It fell in here. We'll get it. So we'll hook up the modular connector, get that nice and tight. Make sure it clicks in. Got it. We're going to feed that back into the firewall. Keep that protected from the heat. There we go. Get our igniter in position. Okay. Then we'll put those screws back in. Get one in, two, there you go. Feel the threads engage. Okay. Got it. Got it. Alright, we're going to test it out now. Come up here. Let's bake. 350. Start. Okay, we're going to watch our igniter here. Starting to get red. It's going to get brighter and brighter until it's almost yellow or white hot. And then the safety valve will open, let the gas come in, and it'll ignite the gas. We'll see it on the Venturi tube. There we go. It's a nice blue flame. Looks good. Go ahead and turn it off, put it back together. Okay, put this heat deflector back on. Give me some light. There we go. Put those Phillips head screws back in. One, two, three, okay, 4. So those igniters seem like they need to be replaced about every 4 years. depending on how much use. Put this bottom plate back in. Just kind of slide it underneath here. Put it in position. We'll feed these two Phillips head screws back in. And we'll just kind of feel around until you feel like the threads engage. That one engaged. Yeah, that one's in. Try this one. Okay. Got it. Put these back in. Go. Okay, we're going to put the door back on. So, these are knees to kind of help us with leverage, engage the forks. Push in. We're going to let this settle down 90 degrees. Close these latches. And make sure the door can close okay. Got it. Give it a little test. Off. Bake. All right. Looking good.
Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance.